Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about the biggest gainer today, which is regarding none other than Gala itself. Apologize for not bringing out an update for you guys yesterday. Just decided to kind of take a day off, kind of relax. And yeah, we're back on schedule. Smash that like button if you have not already, but let's see what is happening with Gala. So as you can see, Gala is up 44.3% right now over the past 24 hours. It had a massive day, especially for the entire Saturday. We were seeing Gala exploding, and this is bringing in a lot of excitement. So we're going to take a closer look, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. So yeah, let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Gala today as of March the 10th, obviously it's past midnight here in North America, depending where you are around the world. The price is currently sitting at 6.6 cents, up 45% as mentioned in USD, Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's approaching $2.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1 billion. So definitely, over the past few months, especially coming out of that massive bloodbath pretty much throughout the bear market, obviously it's showing some sort of steam within its price, and that is bringing a lot of excitement as well as a lot of eyes. If you guys don't know, Gala Games, is equivalent to Steam, but the Web3 version, and a lot of people are hyped on that. And I think the developments that are occurring can really take this to another level. And this is something I've been discussing not just recently, but for quite some time, especially if you are a day-to-day supporter of my channel. But as far as the price is concerned, that's where everyone is here for, to see whether or not we could see more upside, and what we could see happen with the price. So that's what we're going to be discussing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, the dominance index is pretty much pulling down, and that might come as a surprise to a lot of people, because we're seeing BTC pushing very close towards all-time highs. We're currently sitting at 69,300, and of course we're in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual. So that is something that a lot of people might question. Why is Bitcoin not having majority of the momentum on its side right now in terms of dominance? But that's just quite random right now. I think whales are trying to see opportunities in a bunch of altcoins, because money isn't leaving right now. As I've mentioned to you guys before in my other updates, as of now we're not seeing money leaving the crypto space. It's staying within the crypto space. So if you do tend to see the dominance index falling down a little bit, that does mean the altcoins are going up. And if you're looking at the pretty much daily time frame, you are seeing majority of the coins up right now. So that kind of gives us an idea as to what's really happening. But if you're looking at BTC right now, BTC is sitting at $69,290, and we could be pushing back above an all-time high. And speaking about an all-time high, that's just a 1% move from the current price level. So definitely a lot of excitement in the air, and the month of March so far is playing out just exactly as we projected, and playing out to be the biggest month so far. As of now, it's going the way you want it to go, especially for it to become the biggest month of so far in terms of the bullish upwards trend. But yeah, that's that. But if we're looking at Gala on the other hand, you could see this for yourself. Let's kind of just go to the overall history of its price. So obviously, from the bull market, the last bull market, had a significant drop, and the amount of tokens that got unlocked, circulation supply increased quite a bit, and obviously that is going to put more and more sell pressure. And of course, that is going to happen. These are some risk factors that you need to keep in mind. And of course, tokenomics in the previous cycle weren't the best. But if you are looking at the all-time low for Gala, it was around 1.2 cents. And speaking about that, around this range, we know the amount of interest here was extremely low. Not many people really cared or really paid attention to Gala, especially after having the significant drop. But anyone that was accumulating, especially below this range, which is at 3 cents, which was a massive resistance, anyone that was accumulating below that are the real winners in my opinion as of now, because we were within this range for quite some time, and then obviously October 22nd, I think arguably that was pretty much the low for a lot of coins. But since then, the obviously quarter for last year, the upwards trend that we did start seeing, but you saw two different rejections at this 3.1 cents resistance. But then, we retested once again at 2 cents, and you could pretty much see if you picked it up even at the February price point, you are up right now since then 214%. So anyone that was talking negative about Gala over the past few months, I'm sure these people are completely speechless, because you are seeing Gala retesting some levels we haven't seen pretty much since almost 2 years. And obviously now, I kind of discussed this in my previous update, the main resistance is at 7.2 cents, and the fact that we did see this resistance at 5.8 cents pretty much breaking out, which is giving it more steam. There is definitely more demand on its side, and I think if it's able to get past this resistance and able to get above that, we could be seeing a 9 cents Gala token sooner than a lot of people think. Definitely a lot of steam on its side right now, and this project is one of the ones that a lot of people overlook, but once you start to really realize what Gala is doing, you could see that the potential is definitely there. And I think that is just what makes the community excited, especially the people that are actually holders of the project itself. So obviously right now the main key resistance is coming up at 7.2 cents, and what I want you guys to understand is last time the price was actually at this resistance was August 16th of 2022. What I'm projecting is if we are able to get here, might see a little bit of a rejection, because of course this is a huge resistance, but if this is able to break out, guys, I think a 9 cents is a realistic next target for Gala. Obviously it still has a long ways to go to retest the 78.6. Like I said, I had a significant pullback. We still have some time to get into the 78.6, because if you want to look at it in terms of its all-time high, it's really far from its all-time highs right now. We're looking at about about a 11x till we retest the all-time highs, but who knows, one step at a time. Anything is possible in this market. Obviously the circulation supply is not updated. If you're not aware, they did do a massive burn. I think it was mid last year, so the circulation supply is lower than what it states here. I think it's around 28 or 29 billion if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, that's what I'm currently taking a look at. I think Gala has a lot of legs in itself and could pull something that a lot of people are not expecting, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know what you guys think, and what are you guys most excited about Gala, and where do you see it going at the end of this bull market? Yeah, I do want to know that from you guys. And of course, if you guys want me to cover Gala more often, do let me know that in the comments down below, and I will try my best to bring you guys more continuous updates. But smash that like button if you're new. Share this video with your friends, and with that being said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.